Stomach infections, often caused by bacteria, viruses, or parasites, can lead to symptoms like nausea, diarrhea, bloating, and stomach cramps. Here are 4 easy ways to fix them. 1. Stay hydrated. Why? Stomach infections can cause dehydration due to diarrhea and vomiting. Fix: drink electrolyte-rich fluids like coconut water, ORS oral rehydration solution, herbal teas, ginger or peppermint, or diluted fruit juices. Avoid caffeine and alcohol. 2. Follow the Brett diet. Why? This diet is gentle on the stomach and helps with digestion. Fix: eat bananas, rice, applesauce, and toast to soothe the gut and reduce irritation. Avoid spicy, greasy, and dairy-based foods. 3. Take natural remedies. Ginger tea helps reduce nausea and inflammation. Probiotics: yogurt, kefir restores healthy gut bacteria. Honey Plus warm water soothes the stomach and has antibacterial properties. 4. Get plenty of rest and avoid irritants. Why? Your body needs energy to fight the infection. Fix: rest as much as possible and avoid smoking, processed foods, and excess sugar, which can worsen symptoms. If symptoms persist for more than 48 hours, or if there's blood in stool, high fever, or severe dehydration, see a doctor immediately.